Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of one beautiful Camaro. She's a 69 silver houndstooth, amazing looking car, and there's a surprise under the hood. It's got LS power. That's right, fuel injected, 4L60, 4-speed automatic. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it up on the lift so you can see how beautiful the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that LS. We're gonna look at that interior. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. So come on up and we'll fire this LS power up now. So check this beauty out. RS front end and the silver paint is beautiful, man. The metallic in this paint is laid down nice and even. It looks great. Got just, I see one little tick on the hood there. Other than that, the paintwork on it's amazing. Now the hood's lined up nice and flush with the front fender, and that line is nice and straight. That line's nice and straight and lined up real nice with the door and the front fender. The rocker molding looks good, all the stainless looks good. The vinyl top's in beautiful shape. That door handle looks like it's brand new. And look at that door jamb. Look at that paintwork in there, man. Anybody that does that nice a job on the door jamb, you know they did a great job on the rest of the car. The rubber looks good. The deluxe door panel's in great shape. I love the simulated wood steering wheel. Great looking center console in there. It looks like it's got an aftermarket radio in there, and it does work. Houndstooth interior, front and rear. All the trims there around the back window. Headliner's in good shape. And take a look at that dash pad. It is in beautiful shape. Just a gorgeous car. All the gauges look great in this thing. Man, it is an amazing specimen here, guys. Look down the side of this quarter panel. Look how nice and straight it is. The chrome on the back bumper looks good. The blackout tail panel looks great. Uh-oh, all these look alike, guys. 4 tries. Look at that, first try. Look inside the trunk here. We've got carpeting here. The battery's been mounted in the trunk. Wheel wells are nice and tight. All the paintwork here and the gutters all look good. It looks like the rubber molding there has been replaced. The lips on the deck lid are in good shape. Look down the side of the car. Look how nice and straight that baby is. That silver paint is beautiful. Look how nice that door fits also. Just beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory here. We've spent the time to check these cars out before we bought them. Then when we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he can tell you anything you want to know about this 69 Camaro. Now let's go outside and drive this baby. All right, let's take a 69 for a ride. What's so cool about this car is it looks like an original 69 Camaro, but it's got that new drivetrain with the LS, the 4-speed automatic. I mean, it drives awesome. I mean, it's driving like a brand new car would be, but it's a 69 Camaro. I mean, look at that. No hands on the wheel, going straight down the road. Acceleration is great. The brakes feel great. Just an amazing car, guys. And it's the right color. This silver is popping. Just an amazing setup here. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this 69 Camaro anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. And if you need some help with financing, we got that covered for you too. We got 2 bankers we work with, about a 15-20 minute phone call with the banker, or you can fill out an app online, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now, we'd love to have you come visit too, because you know what? We sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, so we don't often get to meet our customers. So we would love to have you come out to the shop, check out this ride, or one of the other 225 cars we have in stock right now. And don't forget, we're only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you want to fly into Detroit, we'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. Just give us a call, let us know you're coming. Now, if you're going to drive in, we're here on Saturdays. You want to hop in for a road trip, hop in your car. We're here 9 to 3 on Saturdays. You can come on out and you can take a look at the whole inventory. And we're buying about 40 new cars a month. So you never know what we'll have. So keep a close eye on Facebook, YouTube, and our website. We're always getting in new inventory every day. This is one sweet driving car here, guys. I tell you, one of my favorites. It's a 69 Camaro. She's got an LS motor, so it's fuel injected. You don't have to worry about that old carburetor. Now look down here on the dash. All in the stock location, we've got aftermarket gauges. These are all new style gauges, but they're fit right in the stock location, even down here on the console. Trying to pull out here. We've got no problem with power with this thing. I mean, I just barely touch accelerator, and you see the ass end slide out there. So you got no problem merging in traffic with this thing. I tell you, put it on the floor, this thing will go. Now, our shop is coming right up here on the right. It's Keel Street. It's 15100 Keel Street. Now, you got to stick with us because we're going to do something you don't often get to see. We're going to put this car up in the air so you can see just how beautiful the bottom side is, too. This car is immaculate, guys. We're going to get it up on the lift. I'm going to show you all the things that we look at when we're buying a car. Now here's the shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. Stick with us and make sure you give Tom a call so he can tell you all about this beautiful car. All right, we're underneath this 69 Camaro now, and man, she's pretty under here too. As you can see, it looks like it's got a new gas tank and new straps. The spring packs look like they were rebuilt. Definitely has new brake lines. It has disc brakes added to the back. It's a 12-bolt rear end, right around a 355 gear. It's got some big old U-bolts holding that rear end housing in there. This all looks like an aftermarket unit here. Beautiful job putting that on. The exhaust looks new. We've got fuel lines running here, all brand new here. Let's see, the floorboard here all looks great. Floorboard up here looks great. I always check this area in the Camaro frames where these two pieces are welded together. Telltale sign right there. It looks beautiful. Back side of the rocker looks good. The pinch weld looks good. The floors here look good. The bushings have been replaced in the frame here. We do have a new brake line going front to back here, and again, that's the new fuel line. Looks like parking brake cable also. 4-speed automatic, 4L60E trans. The headers look good. We've got our O2 sensors here in the headers. They got some nice band clamps, easy to take this thing apart. LS1 up front making it power. We got disc brakes up front. Again, the guys will go through all the steering gear, make sure it's in good working order. Looks like the bushings on the lower control arms and the ball joints have been replaced. Definitely got new springs and new shocks up here. Sway bar looks new, the bushings look new. We've got a cross-flow aluminum radiator here with electric fans. Paint work right down to the bottom edge looks good. Chrome even on the bottom side of the bumper looks great. I mean, it's an amazing car, guy. She's a 69 Camaro, and it's got an LS drivetrain in it with a 4-speed automatic. What amazing setup we've got right here. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front we got great looking wheels, great looking center caps, trim rings, and two 15/70/15s. Wheel lip moldings look good. That silver paint looks good right down to the bottom edge. And I always try to feel around in here, see what the fender feels like. I don't feel any patchwork in there. You gotta watch sticking your finger in there. It gets stuck every now and then. Hey, the bottom side of the rocker looks good. The pinch weld looks great. Like I said, an amazing car. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back, looks like two 15/70/15s again. Wheel lip moldings back here are new. Rocker molding looks good. Rocker, bottom side of the rocker looks good. Always check this right up in here too, because that's another area that rots out on these cars. This is all nice and smooth. That pinch weld there where that inner wheelhouse goes to the trunk floor looks good. I always check this lip too. All you gotta do is feel there. Just be careful, because like those screws are sticking through there. They're sharp. I tell you, I've cut my hand up quite a few times. All I feel is nice smooth metal in there. This is one beautiful car, guys. Let's get under the hood. All right, super cool under here, guys. LS1 under the hood. Corvette covers there on the coil. AC's hooked up. It's got a cold air setup. It's got a polished up alternator on it. All the pulleys are polished up. They're all aluminum. Radiator's polished up. We got power brakes, power steering. Upper control arms look like they've got new bushings in them. The frame's all nicely painted. Firewall's been shaved. It's got a low car dipstick going down to that 4-speed automatic. We got a brand new style windshield wiper motor there. Top side of the radiator's polished up. Core support looks good. Everything's nice and neat under the hood of this baby. She's a 69. She's got an LS1. It's an amazing car, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.